Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Jay, and today we doing like a little cook with me cooking video. Today we making salmon croquettes, rice, white rice, and cornbread. So it's a good little full wholesome meal, keep your belly full for a good little minute type thing. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. And if you're really looking forward to seeing this,
fucking payday, motherfucker,
then keep watching.
Sauce it down, sauce it up. You too much, you too much. Ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts.
You will need 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 2 cans of salmon, 1 box of cornbread, vegetable oil, flour, and eggs in the bag.
Alright, so I just put the cornbread in the oven, 1 box, follow the instructions on the Jiffy box, you know, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk. But I put a little bit more milk in than what the box said, and put it in there for 400 degrees for like I think 25 minutes or something like that. And then we're gonna come back and get started on the salmon croquettes. Alright, so I took the cornbread out and just put a little square of butter and smeared it all the way around, and then I left the square on top just so it'll sink in while I'm doing all the other stuff. And over here I got the vegetable oil going so it'll get hot, and then we're about to get ready and mix the vegetables with the salmon patties and then form our patties and put it in. And I almost forgot that I started a pot of water so I could boil my rice. I got 4 cups of water in here, so that means I'm putting in 2 cups of rice once the water starts to boil, and we'll come back in after everything is all mixed in, ready to start frying them salmon. Alright, so I got my seasonings in here, my onions, the green peppers, 1 egg, and about 3 heaping tablespoons of flour, and that's heaping tablespoons of flour. So I'm about to just mix all of this together, and I'll come back after I form the patties.
it's payday, fellas.
I got baby daddy over here on the Kool-Aid. Get that Kool-Aid, baby. What flavor is that?
It's 30 from the virus.
What kind you got? Blue raspberry. What flavor is it? It's black cherry and what's that, tropical punch? I don't know, look like some tropical punch type shit though. Black cherry, black cherry, blue raspberry, and tropical punch. So yeah, I'm about to go on and put these in the skillet. I got 8 patties out of 2 cans. So just to get y'all the serving size amount. And we're just gonna got the rice going. It's simmering now for the 20 minutes it's supposed to simmer. Alright, so we got the salmon patties over here cooking up. These are the last little 4. The rice done. Simmered on out, absorbed all the water. Good rice. That's 2 cups of rice too, by the way. Looks like a lot too, actually. Cornbread. That's a little piece of butter. Still ain't melted yet. And then these the ones that I already done took out. Good brown, golden brown color. Still kind of hot. At first I kind of forgot the grease was on high because I don't be having patience for grease to warm up. So I have it on like medium high, and then once I'm ready to cook I turn it down low on like medium low. Yeah, medium low. So I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the finishing plates after everything is done, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the final results. Got the cornbread, salmon patties, aka salmon croquettes, got the rice over here, sugar rice, that's how we do it over here. And if you want to top these, you could use either syrup or hot sauce. That's how I've always seen it, syrup or hot sauce. So you know what I'm saying, pick or choose, or eat it just straight up like how it is. Do your thing, but let me know how y'all feeling about this. So with a great good size of Kool-Aid on the side. So you know what I'm saying, enjoy this, y'all. Let me know if y'all gonna try this meal. If you're gonna try this meal, click like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you think of the results. Alright, y'all, I'm out of here.
I said it's fucking payday, motherfucker.